2 years ago, we gave you the WT2 Plus, the best-selling real-time translation device on Amazon. Now we're back with the WT2 Edge. It's the world's first bi-directional translation earbud, offering you real-time, simultaneous translations that make your communication natural, all without an interpreter. The Time Kettle allows for two-way, real-time communication with anyone, from anywhere. No more awkward pauses while you wait for translations, and no more waiting your turn to speak. The Time Kettle is ready to translate when you're ready to talk. The Edge offers directional voice recognition and smart noise-canceling technology, so it picks up your voice clearly while ignoring other sounds and voices around you. With over 40 languages and 93 dialects, the Edge will unlock the world around you. With 15 servers worldwide, the translation speed can be as rapid as half a second. Powered by 6 of the top translation engines, including our own language AI, to boost translation accuracy up to 95%. Have something to say in a meeting? Don't hold back. Touch mode is the ideal option for multi-person meetings. Just tap the earbud and you're in control. No internet? No problem. 7 of the widely spoken languages are stored offline and ready to go. Need translation on the run? Just turn on speaker mode and use your phone to translate for anyone, from taxi drivers to bartenders. So many of us work from home these days. Our group chat supports up to 30 people speaking in their own languages around the world.
All right, bye.
The Edge even supports taking meeting notes. When the meeting's over, send your translated meeting minutes to everyone with the push of a button. Smaller than our last gen and almost twice as light. Plus the secure fit design, which means they'll stay put, even when you're on the move.
La communication est connexion.
La comunicazione ci unisce.
Общение подключено.
沟通即连接。
Спілкування об'єднує.
Communication is connection.
Steuermanagement.
셀프 빨래방을 창업할 때
ありがとうございます。
Break down the language barrier with the Time Kettle WT2 Edge.
gonna lie in the sun.